What's up my people, Gene here. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to reveal my stock portfolio. Now, if you're new here to this channel, my name is Gene. I recently purchased my first rental property. And on this channel, we talk about real estate investing, personal financing, and investing as a whole. If you like, go ahead and please like the like button. I know it's a lot of likes. And if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Now, before we get into my stock portfolio, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything I said with a grain of salt. For me, I'm a big advocate as focusing in one area that you want to build wealth in. Then once you're wealthy in that area, once you're successful in that area, then you can diversify your portfolio and basically invest everywhere else. And as far as for me with this saying, like, I really like this saying, but for me, as for my plan, I plan to invest in the stock market, invest in real estate. So use the money that I'm investing in the stock market as far as like penny stocks, of course, with doing my due diligence and putting it back and investing in real estate, then getting that money that I'm making in real estate as far as cash flow, putting it back in the stock market. So basically it all goes full circle. That's my plan. And because it's penny stocks, you really have to do your due diligence and basically research to make sure that company doesn't go bankrupt. And the thing that I like about the penny stocks is basically you don't have to spend a lot of money to invest because they're penny stocks, long as you do your due diligence. Now let's get into my portfolio. All right, so as you can see, my investment is $2,639.63. For today, I'm up $14.80. After hours, I'm down $7.70. Lately, the stock market been going up and down, so it's really been crazy in the stock market lately. Now let's get into the stocks that I'm invested in. Like I said, I like investing in penny stock, of course, with doing my due diligence. I invested in CTRM, which is Castro Maritime. My total positions is 1,001. The market value is 520, and currently I'm down $344.84. So I first got into this when it was around 86 cents, and about last week or 2 weeks ago, it was up as it was around $1.02. So I was up with it, but we know lately the stock market been going crazy. About Castro Maritime engaged in the provision of shipping transportation services through its ownership of dry bulk vessels. It offers seaborne transportation services for dry bulk cargo, including iron ore, coal, and grain, collectively referred to as major bulks, and steel products, fertilizers, cement, bauxite, I don't even know what that is, sugar, and scrap metal, collectively referred to as minor bulk. The company was founded by Pedro Pani, I don't know how to say his name, on September 12, 2017, and his headquarters is Lemeson, Cyprus. The listed name for CTRM is Castro Maritime Inc. Common shares. Like, this is for me, it's a good penny stocks to get into. I believe lately they recently purchased a new vessel so they can do transportation. Like I said, man, I got into it when it was around 86 cents. This is how much the history of it, how much I've been invested in it. I really believe in this company. So, and one thing also, guys, don't forget that you only lose money in a stock is when you sell it. So I could see myself holding on to this for a while. The second one is AMC. So basically I invested in AMC because it was a meme stock. Watch a lot of videos. You guys already know the whole hype around AMC, around GameStop. So I had FOMO. I didn't want to miss out on AMC like I missed out on GameStop, so I invested in AMC. And AMC is a good dividend stock also. In the future, I'm going to hold on to this. Right now, I'm down just $19.78. I'm gonna hold on to this. I got 54 shares of it. I'm gonna hold on to this. Even if it doesn't blow up like it's speculated to blow up, I'm gonna still hold on to it. Hopefully the company can bounce back. We see that everything is opening up. Basically in America, everything is opening up with this whole crisis. So I'm gonna just hold on to this. Like I said, man, you only lose money in the stock when you sell it. So I'm gonna hold on to AMC. I don't need to go into other further details about AMC. That I just invested in it because it was a meme stock. All right. So the other company that I'm investing in is ADMP, Ademis Pharmaceuticals. So basically, I'm down right now $105.24. I have my position in there is 505 shares. The average cost that I purchased it, I think I purchased it around that average cost, the $1.15. About ADMP. ADMP is a biopharmaceutical company which engaged in the discovery, development, and sales of pharmaceuticals, specialty biopharmaceutical, and other drug products. It offers Semjepi products for allergies, respiratory, opioid overdose, and erectile dysfunction (ED) markets. The company was founded in June 2006 and its headquarters is in San Diego, California. The listed name for the ADMP is Ademis Pharmaceutical Corporation common stock. Now with ADMP, it was speculated that it was supposed to blow up by the end of March. They basically were supposed to sign a contract to start putting out more pharmaceuticals. And the reason I believe in this company, because they already have other government contract. So it's not going to be like one of those penny stocks that's going to go out of business. So I'm going to hold on to ADMP also. Now the next company is BDRBF, which is Bombardier. Now this company, like I said, I have friends that also invest in stocks. Once they have a good stock, they send it to me and I do my due diligence. And if I believe in that company, if I have faith, after I do my due diligence, I invest in that stock. Now I have 1,024 positions in this company. The market value is $784.38. So with this company, I'm up at $276.58. I purchased it around the average cost of 49 cents. This company was referred to me by my friend also, who is a big investor in the stock market. So I took a look at this and I was sold. So I purchased it. It was low anyways. Like I said, with the penny stocks, they're low anyways. And the reason I also purchased this was my friend also had referred to me OCGN, which I had shares in there, where I purchased it at $1.81. Then it blew up to all the way to $18. So after that moment, I really believe in my friend, because that's what he does. He does research on these type of stocks he sends to me. I look them over. Then if I like them, I invest in them. Now, Bombardier Inc. manufactures planes and trains. It operates through the following segment: business aircraft, commercial aircraft, aerostructural and engineering services, and transportation. The business aircraft segment designs, manufactures, and provides aftermarket support for 3 families of business jets spanning from the light to large categories. The commercial aircraft segment designs and manufactures a portfolio of commercial aircraft. The aerostructures and engineer services segment design and manufactures major aircraft structural components such as engine, nacelles, fuselage, and wings, and provides aftermarket component repair and overhauls, as well as other engineering service for both internal and external clients. The transportation segment offers product range and services to the rail industry and covers the full spectrum of rail solutions, such as complete trains to subsystems services, system integration, signaling, and e-mobility solution. The company was founded on June 19, 1902 and its headquarters in Montreal, Canada. So BDRF is listed on the OTCQX International Premier Market tier OTC market data is provided by OTC Markets Group Inc. So this company been around for a long time. So just because it's a penny stock doesn't mean that it will go out of business anytime soon. With this company also, I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna keep investing in it. If I want to purchase more shares or get into more position, I will get into it, but I'm gonna hold on to this also. As you know, you guys see, I'm up $276.58. My next company that I'm invested, I have position in, is ZOM, Zomedica. So there's been a lot of hype around Zomedica. I have 248 positions with Robinhood, and also I have around like 54 positions with Webull with this company. So currently I'm down $205.24. I purchased it at an average cost of $212. So look, man, this company was up around $2. We know with the whole stock market, it's been so volatile. It's been going up and down. So around like this week, since last week, it's been dropping. So right now is at $1.29. This will be around a perfect time to get into it because it's just like a fire sale on it because it's so low. Like I said, I purchased it at $2.12. This company also was one of the companies that was supposed to go up by the end of March because they had signed a contract to start distributing products. Let's get into what this company is about. Zomedica Corp operates as a veterinary health company which engage in the discovery, development, and commercializing of pharmaceuticals for companion pets. It offers products for dogs and cats by focusing on the unmet needs of clinical veterinarians. Its True Pharma biosensor platform is designed to assist practitioners in diagnosis of complex conditions. The company was founded by Gerald L. Selinsky Jr. on June 7, 2013, and its headquarters is in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Yeah, this company is also one of the companies that I believe in, so I'm gonna hold on to it, even if I'm down $205. And I may purchase some more position in this when I have the money to, because this right now is at a fire sale because the average cost that I initially purchased it at was $2.12. Now the next two stocks, I got them because there was free. So I have my link down below with Robinhood, so you can go ahead and invest in Robinhood and Webull. So I got those three free stocks for free. I don't really know about those companies. I just had to scratch, so I'm not really gonna go into them. I'm just giving you the name: Semabay Therapeutics and Agenus. I'll just read them just for fun, but I don't really know nothing about those companies. All right. So Semabay Therapeutics engaged in the provision and development of access of therapies for patients with liver and other chronic disease with high unmet medical needs. Its products pipeline includes Seladelpar and the other stuff. The company was founded on October 5th, 1988, and its headquarters in New York, California. All right, so Agenus, what's this company? I'm up $2. Yay. As you can see, the average cost, I didn't buy this. Same thing for this, I didn't buy it. It was free. By you guys clicking on the link, you would also get some free stocks with Robinhood and Webull. So go ahead, help yourself and help me. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to see my crypto portfolio, please get this video to 10 likes. If you want to click the like, get it to 10 likes, then I will also reveal my portfolio with crypto. Crypto is new. I'm getting into crypto, so it should be fun. Okay, so Agenus Inc. is a clinical stage antimony oncology company which engages in the development and commercializing of technologies to treat cancers and infectious disease. Its product pipeline includes Bastilimata, Zadifrelima, all type of stuff. The company was founded by Garo H. Arman and Pradmal K. Shrivastava on March 31st, 1994, and is headquarters is Lexington, Massachusetts. Yeah, like I said, I didn't invest in this company. So, and also here's my list. I got a whole bunch of lists. I remember I started this list since way back. It's a lot of stuff on there. I like to see all these green on there. But like these right now, I'm not there yet to invest in these type of companies because that's too much money. I did create my own list as far as my buys, like these lists that, as far as like, you know, penny stocks to purchase in. GameStop, I have it there because, you know, the whole craze with the whole squeeze. I have it there. Look, see all these other companies, you know, 99 cents. So I'm just, every time I watch videos, do research on YouTube, and I hear about a company, I put it in my buy list just basically to do research on it so I don't forget it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and comment down below which company that you are investing in and why are you investing in that company. Which company you think that I should be looking at. Remember, keep it at penny stocks. I'm not a millionaire yet. I can't invest $500,000 like my boy Kevin did. Meet Kevin. But please guys, I would really love to hear. And also, let's get this video to 10 likes so I can reveal my crypto portfolio. And also, I have my real estate video coming real soon as far as how I purchased my first rental property. So as always, please be healthy, please be safe, peace be with you.